Successful businesses are complex systems employing a diverse set of workers across many facilities. When an accident causes a part of the system to break or slow down, the entire system has to adjust to compensate. This costs money and can harm your workers. In order to avoid future mishaps, it's important to keep track of when, where, how, and why accidents occur in your workplace. With careful analysis, you can identify the cause of each incident and predict where future incidents may occur. Keeping track of all this data can be quite difficult, and it's hard to maintain a consistent procedure for tracking, reporting, and correcting lapses in workplace safety. A business owner likely doesn't have the time to take care of this on their own. With Quantum, you can report and track incidents as they occur, analyze the cause of each incident, and then assign corrective actions. With these tools, you can avoid repeating accidents and correct safety lapses before they cause accidents. By partnering with Quantum, you can equip your business with the very best incident management solution available, saving time and money while making your workplace a safe place.